So in this video, hello and welcome. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove keyboard or change the keyboard in Lenovo X230 laptop. And as always, when you have to change any parts which are connected to electricity, I need that too. So you have to remove battery. So you slide this pin out. This one you slide and hold, and then you remove battery, right? Then you flip it over, okay, and you make sure press the hold the power button, so any electricity left in the connections, they're gonna be gone. Now again, flip it back, and you have to remove few screws. First one is here in the middle of this plate, which is removable. It's normally used for changing the upgrading RAM. And like I don't know if you can see, but there's a actually small picture, as you can see, of keyboard here and and over here. So you have to remove those two screws. So which I'm gonna do it now. Right? Now flip it back. Right? Okay. Oh, the one is gone. Second one. Sorry. So flip it back. Right? And all you have to do now is I use like a not a screwdriver, but like a flat screwdriver. So you just prime it a little bit like that. I don't know if you can see, sorry. So you can prime it, push it upwards, push it the whole keyboard upwards, right, and you just and you just well, it's not so easy as I thought it will be, right? Okay, oh yeah, so you have to push it, even more, right? So you have to push all the way forward to the screen, and it's gonna pop out, right? And you have to be careful because there's a ribbon over here, as you can, sorry, I don't know if you can see. So maybe I'm gonna show you from the different angle, right? So, okay, so there's a ribbon over here, it's a connector, and you just pull it out, take the old keyboard, install a new one, and you're good to go. So when you're installing, you're like doing backwards all the things that you did to remove it. So just gonna flip it again. So you just again make sure that when you put it back, just make sure it holds nicely, right? So now it's in the place, and you guys have to push it. I just scratched my keyboard, which is not good. So again, all right. Not so easy that I thought it will be. It was when I tried off camera. Now it's not so easy. But anyway, just push it down a little bit, and you know, push it down, like press it down and push it down. Press it, push it, press it, push it. Right? To just make sure do not scratch your own keyboard. Sorry. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, but I'm gonna maybe zoom in. So as you can see, I scratched my keyboard because I use this flat screwdriver, and I scratched it, right? But anyway, when you place it back in the normal position, just make sure when you look at it, right, from this angle it's flush, right? So it's straight, right? Again, close the lid, flip it, Now put 2 screws back, right? I don't know if you can see, just trying to put it in the position. So again, right, if you place it correctly, the keyboard, there will be no problem for you to screw it back in. Okay, let's see if I did it correctly, right? So let's try this one. Because it is the wrong screwdriver, sorry. So let me try it again. Try it again. I just changed the head in my screwdriver. Alright. So, okay. Yeah, I did it correctly, right? So it screws in nicely. So which means I did it all correctly, right? So it's all done. Once again, just make sure when you check that it's flush on both. Like, I mean, not flush, but mean like like at the flush with this edge, right? So it's not sticking out and everything, and it's all in the one level. So as you can see, you can look at the angle, and I can see that all the keys are the same angle, right, and the same level. It's all done, right? Now I can put back my battery in, right? And well, I'm gonna do the test if it actually works, off camera of course. But I can turn my laptop on the battery, and we'll see if actually, sorry, just gonna zoom out. We'll see if that my keyboard works. So okay, as you can see that is, so when I press the button, right, yeah, everything works, right, great. So that's it for this video, and see you in the next one.